moral policing gi mingta mibu pha punduna fu chaiba amade social media da amaga nungsinadanaba Wapham sing Phongdoknarakliba ase makha tana Toubiganu haina Imphal East District Police ke SP ke mega chandra miyam da appeal tarokle press ta thadorokpa video message amada Wapham ase Phongdokladuna mahakna hai asigumba thabak sing ase chatharakpana furuk masagi marakta nungsinadaba hengalaknabagi achobo maram amu oirakle karigumba matamda thawong sing asina maram oiraga khut thongnaraktuna tamthina sokpa amati siba fawu yaunare logi wangmada thabak tawba maral leba khudingmakki mathakta police na akan action lakhatkane masigi mathakta social media da kangnuk masal nungsinadana Wapham Phongdoktuna thagatpa lepiyo asigumba pamdaba thawdok sing ase thuandana ba honabada lamdam asigi CSO sing amade miyamna su mateng pangbiu haina su mahangna makha tana phongdorakle.
Various instances of activities of certain organizations and individuals that may lead to enmity and conflict between different communities, including detention and assault of individuals in the name of moral policing or drive against drugs, and hate speech in social media are frequently reported. In certain cases, such activities led to grievous injury and even death of certain individuals, as we witnessed in recent days also. Now, it is informed to all the organizations, general public and individuals that stringent action will be taken up against those individuals and groups or organizations which indulge in such activities which may promote enmity between different communities and conflict between different communities also. Appeal is made to refrain from indulging in such anti-social activities, particularly those activities which may promote communal enmity. And appeal is again made to all the CSOs, civil society organizations and general public and individuals to extend full cooperation to the police while taking up action against such antisocial elements.